Riu Guanacaste. Here's the water park. So again, we're up here. That's the entrance. This is the main boulevard. There's the Riu Palace, and off to the right is the Riu Guanacaste. Check out the main video for our walk around tour of that. This is the Splash World. Again, follow us here on Sights and Sounds. Subscribe. Leave us a comment. Request. Leave us your thoughts. So here's a nice little dining area and some bebidas, some refreshments. We've got a kids swimming area. So here's the main attraction, all the slides. We got a corkscrew, we got 4 speed slides, a green speed slide, and 2 corkies. So it's pretty cool, everybody's just chilling. That thing, you know, we'll check that one out. But here's the kids area. It's a little buckets and all that kind of stuff. Cool stuff for the kids, cool stuff for the parents to hang out. It's really well kept. But let's go climb up that thing and we'll check out some of these slides. All right guys, here we are at the top of the slide thing. Yeah, you can see the little kids splash pad over there. You can see the Riu Guanacaste right over there. See the Riu Palace. See the mountains from up here. It's pretty cool. Then all you got to do is get back down. So let's do that. All right guys, so there you have it, the Riu Splash Water World. Cool stuff. Easily 6 hours of fun for the kids. It's a cool spot. This one, you know, if you're older, you know, just make sure you got a chiropractor lined up or something like that. Cool park. Okay, remember, like, follow, subscribe right here. Sights and Sounds. Check out sightsandsounds.co for a full written description of everything we talked about in this video. And check out the links down below for things that I find useful. Thanks for watching. Bye now.